Okay guys, actually we got what we need, and we can set up a new variable here. We are going to call it let actually the options equal an empty list, and I'm going to set this as soon as this guy got the actually, you know that svelte is quite reactive, and I'm going to set the options value to, well, result.data, and this will eventually reload this table. However, in our table body we are going to set up a for each, and that's going to be each and a comma. Okay, each options as option, and that's going to actually end each. I believe we had else here too. Let me check it out. Sorry, that's just like this. Okay, and that's it. Actually, our structure is something just like this. For each actually, I'm going to paste it here. I need to compose some name from this guy, and let me option dot, well, I need to compose some sort of name out of it. Well, how do I do this? How do we do this? Actually, we are going to see what options we have in this dude's name. Well, I've got URL. I got actually URL. I believe got the actually MIME type and resolution, and that's going to be far better than enough. Okay, let me dash type option dot resolution. Let me copy that from here, and that's good enough. And for our download button, I'm going to put the download button in an A tag, which the href is going to be the URL for option actually option.url. However, I don't know why was it having a bug. Okay, let me see how it works. Okay, now we got 0 rows in this dude. Let me copy some URL from this part and click download, waiting for the dude to receive it. Okay, now we have a good actually full list for our download, and we can do this. I believe if I click this, that's going to start to get it downloaded. That's it. That's, I believe, our video for this part, and this course is, I believe, a really nice course, and everything is functional, totally okay. You can customize your table, you can customize your names for these dudes, or you can also download the file on your server and serve the guy with the file. And actually that's the dumbest thing you can do, because actually when you have the URL, when you have a real nice and decent speed for this guy, actually let me see the speed, not a nice and decent one, but okay. Anyway, well, we can work it out. I believe this course has been really nice. I will upload this course to our actually GitHub account, and you can access the resources. And that's it. Goodbye to the next video, to the next course.